creating Microsoft Azure Notebook account. So the account is at the moment free and very simple to create. So we are making this video to show you how you can use the template that I have prepared for you in the previous videos. But you need to have a Microsoft Azure Notebook account in order to use those templates. So the way we make account is, I have Googled Azure Notebook, and this is the link I got. Click it, sign in. Ideally, you should have a Microsoft account, Outlook account, like that. But you can also make it with Gmail account. So I'm using Gmail account. Project 1@gmail.com. Right. So I'm creating one. Don't have account there. We will create one for you using this. Okay, that's fine. Choose your password. And they have sent you code in your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account, this is my code. Paste and next. So they will test you are human. Yes, I am. S3RVX. Right, so the application want to access your info. You don't have a choice. Click yes. And this is your ID if you like it, or I'm just saving it for now. Easy. So this is your account. Now how you can start using different templates. So what I'll do, I will create, would you like to create one project? So I will create one project, and in case my project name will be Audit, and the project ID I'll use Audit, just in case if I want to share this information with the other one. So it won't be public. Let's create one with the readme file. Okay, so now you're in a good shape. So what you need to do in order to use the template I have shown you in the video, so once you have saved those templates in your computer, you can just click upload from your computer, choose your file. In case this is my C drives, I'm using here in valuation testing, open and click upload. So this is done, click done, and there you go. And click it and it will be ready for you. So Jupyter Notebook engine or kernel is being initiated. There you go. The first thing I would recommend is, before starting the template, is to clear these line of code. These are just results for all installation. Just clear this by going to kernel, restart and clear output. Restart and clear all outputs. So you will have a nice and clean template. So see, you're nice and clean, and you know what to do next after that. So the whole point of creating this video was to show you how to create your Microsoft Azure Notebook account, which is free at the moment, and you can enjoy the template I prepared, and you know where to make amendments. That's it. Thanks.